What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tika with the curls, back at it again with another freaking video. As you guys can see, I did not do an intro this video, so this is my intro, and I'm doing a hairstyles video, as you can tell by the title. But yeah, here are the different hairstyles that you can do with mini twist or mini braids in my case. And yeah, this is my mini braids with beads hairstyle, so if you haven't already, check out that tutorial. But let's hop right into this video.
Love it like all of my gang. Even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.
This is hairstyle number 1, which is just all down. In the middle part, all down. I actually haven't rocked a side part and did not do that in this video, but I guess that is an option too. So hairstyle number 1. Okay, so boom, we have hairstyles 2 and 3. One is the low pony with 1 bang, and the next one is the low pony with 2 bangs. So you guys will see that here in a second. Okay, so for hairstyle 4, all I really did is slap it in a bun. So the same things for hairstyle 2 and 3 is the same thing for this. Just either 1 bang or 2 bang with the low bun in the back there. Alright, so I lost count already how much hairstyles I did, but I will try to put how much in the title of the video. But here's the next hairstyle. We have 2 pigtails with 2 bangs. Then, of course, we have 2 pigtails with 1 bang. Then, last but not least, we have 2 pigtails with no bangs. But y'all seen that one coming now, eh? Yeah, I know y'all seen the third one coming. But, yeah. Alright, guys, not gonna lie. This next hairstyle is the main reason why I even did this hairstyle. My 2 buns. Next is the half up, half down. This one is no bangs, and my half up is actually like low and in a bun. So that is one option. Or we have this and next half up, half down, which is not in a bun. It is out in a ponytail at the top. And I also have bangs out in this one. So a little bit different there. I'm not gonna lie, this hairstyle I could probably do without, but it is an option. A bun, half up, half down, and bangs. This one is an everyday staple. Like, who doesn't wear a high bun? Like, it's just a high bun. So there's a high bun. Week 3 of this hairstyle, I probably should have did this video week 1 when my hair was fresh, but same thing. Next one is 2 low buns. I know you see that, 2 low buns. And if you want to spice up your 2 low buns, slap 2 bangs in there or slap a 1 bang. Here's your next hairstyle. But that is pretty much it, you guys. You guys remember, if you guys like this video, to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.
Even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.